These are old speakers, but that doesn't mean that they're bad. In fact, they're quite nice, which is why it's a shame that they're connected to a receiver that doesn't support Bluetooth or Spotify streaming. But that's an issue that I can actually fix in this video with a couple of solutions. The solution I settled on was by connecting an Amazon Echo Dot through the 3.5mm port in the back of it. This of course requires an aux connector on your receiver's input. Since the receiver I was using doesn't have that though, it meant that I needed a 3.5mm to RCA cable. Luckily I found a similar cable from an older TV that worked just as well. It does have an extra video connector, but there weren't any problems leaving it unplugged. Once the Echo Dot was all connected to the receiver, all that was left was to make sure that Spotify was synced with that device. Now, in Spotify's device manager, you're able to see and also switch the playback location over to the Echo Dot that's now connected with that receiver. This method, however, doesn't allow you to stream other content to the receiver like YouTube videos or built-in device audio and more. To do this, you'll need a different solution. That would be to pick up a wireless receiver and all the necessary cables for it. This would allow you to stream all of the audio off of your device instead of only the apps that support AirPlay or casting capabilities. And that was all that's needed. If this video is helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing to more tech content every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Tech Device News.